Oh, Tommy. What's rolling out now?
You see them. Here they come. Factory front-wheel drive. Rolling.
Now, are you seeing a lot of cars that weren't here last night?
Sure am. Tough for Friday for some of these type of racers. I mean,
Yeah.
they got work to do.
Very much your grassroots racing. Oh boy, we got a whole big.
We got a field, man.
Yeah, we do. Now this
Scheduled to start, we have 21 cars.
We have 35 laps of main event racing, and I'm just gonna point out that sometimes this is the event that yeah, we got our big figure 8 race coming, but sometimes this is the one that a lot of people are talking about at the end of the night.
Yeah.
You don't know why, you're gonna find out. I mean, just look at how some of them already showed up.
Uh-huh. That's Downey in the number 13.
Can I chime in real quick?
Please.
I just wanted to let everybody know that we are streaming in full 1080 HD tonight.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, not 720, full 1080.
We're wearing the big boy pants.
That's one of a first. See, I've done that by accident at Bakersfield.
We did do that.
But we're meaning to do this.
Right,
Is that right?
we are.
Wow. So, folks, you got those HD TV, smart TVs cranking at full power here tonight.
Now you said you had a list of 21. I only count 18, so I'm wondering how exciting the practice sessions were earlier.
Yeah. Or if people are just
some of them
scared.
are probably still on their way.
Maybe they just did some phone-ins. Phone-in orders. I can give you a lineup.
You could.
I mean, I'll give you the lineup as it's scheduled, and then you'll notice who's not here.
All right. I like that idea.
36 going to start up front, Barry Turner, and then scheduled to his outside will be the number 22 of Brandon Todd. The number 20 starts third, Scott Stewart Jr., and the number 18 will start fourth, Tyler Brown.
So far, so good.
Number 07 of Tim Smith. See, on a hot streak. He's going to start fifth, and outside row number 3, the number 88 of Dakota Mazda. Scheduled to start 7th, the number 39 of John Elkins Jr., and the number 23 of Leon Woolney, starting 8th. 9th place starter, the number 18 of Elliott McKinney. There's no L there. So Elliott McKinney in the number 18, and the 10th place starter, the 64 of Don Van Valkenburg III. Wonder how he filled all that out on the schedule.
I remember that name.
Yep.
That's a hard one to forget.
11th place starter, the number 09 scheduled is David Powell, and the 37 of Christopher Gray, starting 12th. 13th starter, the number 12 of Steve Todd.
Now, I know I saw him earlier, but
Yep.
he's not on track.
And 14th place starter, the 86 of Steven Egner.
So, okay.
15th place starter, the number 6 of Aaron Brown Jr., and the 111 of Kenneth Smith will start in 16th.
All right.
17th place starter scheduled, the 9X of Nick Warner. And 18th place scheduled, the 83 of Francisco Santiago Jr. So we got one of the two there. 19th place starter, the 13. We've seen him already. Kyle Downey into his outside the number 313 scheduled.
Oh, yeah.
Is Aaron Sink. And rounding out the field of scheduled starters, the number 99 of Ricky Puckett.
No
who is
Ricky.
Not on track.
Ricky lost that number. They told him not to. All right, it'll be 35 laps of main event action. And, Tommy, I hope you're buckled in because
I'm standing, but I'll pretend like I am. Here we go. 35 laps, factory front-wheel drive, figure 8 feature at the Speedrome. So far, so clean.
oh boy. Yeah, it so far.
Battle there for fourth. You see the number 20 to the inside of the 22. Brandon Todd to the outside. Stewart Jr. to the inside. through that corner. And Stewart Jr. up to 4th. And a swarm of cars behind your 6th place runner.
Uh-oh, trouble for the 86, it looks like.
Yeah.
Off the pace, that car just shut it down.
Egner and the 86 seem to have stalled.
And a battle for second as the intersections are brewing.
That's Coulter in the number 18 to the inside of the 39.
Oh, in trouble.
39 of Elkins stays in the 2nd spot. Meanwhile, Speedrome yellow in effect, meaning we're not
Coulter.
stopping the race, but we're letting you know there's a problem. We stay green, and we're battling for the lead. Elkins Jr. working the outside groove of your front row starter, Barry Turner, has led the lap, or led the race all this time, but new leader, lap number 4. So Elkins Jr. up into the lead.
Whoa. We have an issue on the back straightaway.
Yes. That's a number 20 machine.
And we're going to have an issue on the front straightaway any moment.
20 of Stewart Jr., Scott Stewart Jr. started 3rd out of this race.
Oh, man, craziness through the intersection. We're right now kind of watching some of these packs further back in the pack. Your leaders are closing in on this group right here. How are they going to make it through? Carefully. Carefully is the answer. Tommy, a new challenger up front. The 88 machine. All over second place rear bumper. Again, this is all battle for second, led by the 36. Oh, contact. Now Coulter moves in on this bit as we continue through. All right, so now we got our mix, Tommy. This is kind of where things seem to really jumble up in these figure 8 races. You really want to pay attention. You have to pay attention to what's coming on the other side, but sometimes you'll lose sight of what's right in front of you. We've seen it before where cars will whoa up in the intersection. Drivers will be watching what's coming, and then rear end job engaged.
So your leader right now, your leader checking out.
Oh, yeah.
Big time lead for the 39 of Elkins Jr.
And this is what they're fighting against. I love it. Who doesn't love figure 8 racing? I'm going to stick with this pack because they're still exciting. They're smoking it up exciting.
Hey, guys.
Yeah.
Can we welcome those of who are joining us on Facebook?
Oh, we're doing a final live look-in here from
Heck
the
yeah.
Indianapolis Speedrome.
Heck yeah.
Just for a few laps.
If you're not watching, if you're not on lowbudget.tv, what are you waiting for?
That's right, 28 laps left of this race. However, we're only going to give you a tease of this race. www.lowbudget.
Yeah.
And that's your 36 machine, Barry Turner, who started on the pole.
Here's your leader.
Barry Turner in the 5th spot had to hit the brakes and come to a stop. We're factory front-wheel drive, figure 8 racing here at the Speedrome. And we've got a full night of racing still with a Ford figure 8s and the spring shootout outlaw figure 8 90-minute endurance race still yet to come here at the Indianapolis Speedrome. A night full of action, figure 8.
I don't even know what just happened. All I know is your leader was part of it. So here's Coulter in that 18 machine, and he sees your leader right here. He was maybe aiming for him a little bit. Look at the lap traffic for your leader.
Yes. So the leader is the orange number 39 of John Elkins.
Oh boy, now it gets hard, Tommy, when you're in a pack to see what's coming, what's going.
Elkins started in 7th, so he's made his way to the front fairly quickly and is just driving away from everybody. You can see the rundown at the top of the screen with our scoring ticker here on Low Budget TV.
Oh man, they're 3 wide going through this. Hold on to your hats.
Ooh.
And you see how, oh, there's contact. I love how hard these drivers are racing the leader, by the way. They're literally shoving him through the
They don't
corner.
care that that's the leader. We got a black flag on the 37 machine smoking it up. 37 of Chris Bray in 9th place.
Where is he going? Where is he going?
He's doing his own intersection.
I guess so. I think he's going to just take everyone with him
Hey,
right
if you can't beat him, just kill him. Sure sign for victory.
There you go, kids. Oh, man. Well, they've made it work. Here's some 3-wide action contact. And, oh, man, they're still slamming into each other.
Yeah, they are.
The 09. Oh, and that is the 36 machine.
That's Barry Turner, who just lost a spot. To 7th he goes.
I want to point out that because of that issue, you see the leader is now right on his tail. Been a very smooth race, Tommy, for the 39. Who's in second at this point?
Second spot is Don Van Valkenburg in the number 64 machine.
And he's coming. We're only halfway through this race, and that 64 machine is coming.
See our wireless shot, our flag stand camera, multiple cameras on this racing, and a dedicated intersection camera all night long.
Yeah, don't worry. You will not miss a single thing that happens in that intersection.
You can see how busy it'll get. It's clean right now, and now it's busy.
Yep.
Can you guys let the fans know how to watch one last time? We can shut down the look-in.
www.lowbudget.tv. You see the address there at the bottom of the screen. Tune in with us live exclusively from here on out on lowbudget.tv for live action here from the Indianapolis Speedrome.
Woohoo!
3rd annual Spring Shootout weekend. And it doesn't get any better than this right here at the Speedrome.
That was close, Tommy. That was second place. Nearly getting taken for a ride through the intersection.
Van Valkenburg in the 64. He is a car length now less than that behind your leader.
That was the smallest Dukes of Hazzard I've ever seen.
Don Van Valkenburg III on a mission. He is right there on the bumper of your leader. The number 39 of John Elkins with 14 to go, making 13 at the line. Lap traffic up ahead. Oh, intersection. Crossover hit for Wolney and the 83 machine.
And they're both rolling.
There's no stopping these guys.
Now, again, our intersection shot did catch that.
However,
and we'll take a look at it because the battle for the lead ain't done.
I want to let you know, Jeffrey, that they hit each other in the intersection and they were battling at the same time. They weren't side by side. They came at each other. So they were half track apart from each other. And
it's getting intense up front. 64 looking for a nose.
Francisco Santiago in the 83 getting the better end of that impact. And battle for the lead on the screen right now. Van Valkenburg the third on the outside of Elkins. 39-64. Still duking it out for the lead at the intersection lap traffic.
Oh, he took it, but a crossover move by the 39. Oh, where are you going to go?
Still battling for the lead.
Lap traffic is going to come into play on this one.
And Jeremy, this is the beauty of figure eight racing.
Now is it, oh, the 39. Now is it possible, Tommy? This is what we're talking about.
Well, I was going to say the beauty of figure eight racing. Van Valkenburg, the third, up into the lead now. Getting by Elkins. But Jeffrey, when you're side by side.
Was that your leader?
Yes. We're not done yet.
No.
Still got plenty of laps left to go.
No, we don't give the trophy until that tracker flag is well and flown. But I was going to say, is it possible the 39, because he's not losing a lot of time to the 64, maybe got comfortable and went, hey, I got time until, bam, I just got passed for the lead.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, he had to deal with lap traffic, and Van Valkenburg capitalizing on things as well.
We got a smoker. I think things got a little hot for that 18 machine.
So Tyler Brown in number 18.
I don't think the 39's done. Where are you going?
Going way wide.
That car's still trying to make the turn right now.
Actually, I correct myself. That's 18M, I believe, of Elliott McKinney.
Yeah, it's not Coulter.
Tyler Brown in the 18.
Tommy,
is driving Coulter's car.
Look at your battle for the lead. The 39's back.
So Don Van Valkenburg the third Pressure from Elkins in the 39.
I'm not saying I told you.
5 to go.
But I had a hunch.
Van Valkenburg in the little Civic. The 39 of Elkins in that Acura. It's a Honda showdown right now.
Oh, man.
4 laps to go.
Is third place even on the same lap at this point?
No. Top 2 on the screen are the only 2 on the lead lap.
And don't you love that? That, oh man, there's nobody near them, but they're close to each other. They got lap traffic to deal with here. Ooh, the 39 lost a lot of time out of that last corner.
Yeah, it washed up in the corner. 2 to go at the line for Don Van Valkenburg III. Elkins has to put on one final charge in these last 2 laps. And that orange 39 to even have a chance to go for the win. That is the 5th place runner, the 18 of Tyler Brown, driving Coulter's car here in this race. He's going to pull off. White flag waves for Van Valkenburg III through turns number 1 and 2.
Might not have to deal with lap traffic.
Might have to right now. Final set of corners for Don Van Valkenburg III. And out of the corner, down the straight, checkered flag in the factory front-wheel drive figure 8. Well, it was a great battle up front for the lead.
Yeah, well, Tommy, one thing we always talk about here at lowbudget.tv is that we film where the action's at.
Yep.
You know, you don't have to be, we're not going to just show you the leader the entire time. But, oh! That's one way to finish it up. Oh, didn't like that.
No.
09 didn't like that. He said, what the hay? But, Tommy, when the action's up front, that's where we're going to be watching.
Makes it easy for us. Don Van Valkenburg III, your winner. That's number 64. Jeffrey started in 10th.
Nice.
Drove his way to the lead, about the halfway point of this race.
Really had to just kind of time it out there. Tommy, how lonely do you think the 86 felt?
He had a front row seat. Stephen Egner in the number 86. A bummer. He stalled it early in this race. Could not fire the 86 machine.
You know, a similar thing happened to Joe Morganti.
Yeah, he did not fire it in the morning.
No, he definitely stalled out on the couch.
I woke his ass up, though, with the light.
You sure did.
Oh, man. Having some fun here at the Speedrome, folks. Hopefully all of you join in with us are having fun as well. As we got another we got all figure 8 racing from here on out.
Yeah, we do.
We're send it down trackside for the winning interview.
On top, back and forth. That makes for a lot of fun.
John is always a good competitor, whether oval or figure 8. I couldn't pick a better guy to race next to. Got to thank my wife and kids, Scott Stewart, Ponderosa Steakhouse, Circle City Pyrotechnics, everybody that's helped. I really want to thank the 23 crew back there for giving me the motivation to get this done. Not sure what's broken the back, but we'll be at Mount Lawn tomorrow.
Right on. Hey, you said it best. You said family. You want to thank this little hat right there probably too.
Of course I want to thank Doug Gregg. He knows he helps me a lot. All these racers out here, everybody comes together. Peter's Auto Service. I got them.
Got them. All right, man. Hey, I'm just trying to help you out. You know what I mean? If an ex-race car driver trying to help guys get sponsors, that's what I'm talking about. But hey, folks, let's hear it one more time for Don Van Valkenburg. Come on down and get your pictures.